In the beginning of 2018, I used to be sad and unhealthy and everything that a human being doesn't want to feel in the beginning of the year. You know what I'm saying? But one thing that changed everything for me is what I'm going to be talking about today. This app called Google Fit. I discovered it in August 2018, a bit late, but I did it. So I guess that counts. Earlier this year, Google redesigned Google Fit to look something like this. There were new activity goals based on American Heart Association and World Health Organization physical activity recommendations. In the last couple of months, Google Fit has been constantly reminding me of how well I'm doing in life by earning something called move minutes and heart points. So apparently I can earn these healthy amount of move minutes and heart points by 30 minutes of brisk walking 5 days a week. By earning these points, you can earn 3 things: reduce the risk of getting a heart disease, get good amount of sleep, and also an overall increase in your mental well-being. Google Fit also has a widget that lets users glance at their daily progress. Yes, a constant reminder is what we people need. When you're walking, running, or biking throughout the day, Google Fit automatically detects these activities using our phone or watch sensors like the accelerometer or GPS to estimate the number of heart points we earn. But if you're into some other sort of exercise or activity like gardening, yoga, pilates, rowing, etc., you can fill out a workout journal manually to adjust your activity intensity and get awarded more accurate heart points for it. These features are available on Android and Wear OS by Google. You can find the link of the app in the description below. Hope this will get you in tune with your mental and physical health. I will see you next time. Peace out.